Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you two easy tiffin recipes. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. So let's begin the video. The first one is an easy egg roll. For making this, I am chopping up some vegetables. You can use any vegetables of your choice. Here I am using a small piece of onion, small piece of cabbage and some grated carrot. Heat oil in a tawa and saute the vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's sorted well, take it out and let it cool for some time. Meanwhile, let's make the chapati. Here I'm making a medium-sized chapati. Heat a tawa and cook the chapati both sides. Now the chapati is ready, take it out from the pan. And I added 1 egg, some chili powder and some salt to the cooled vegetable mix and mix everything together. Then place a tawa, add some oil and pour the egg mix. Let it cook for some time. Then place a chapati on the omelette and press it well to stick it together. Cook in medium-low flame until the egg cooks completely. Flip both sides and once the egg is cooked well, take it out from the tawa. Let it cool a little bit and spread some tomato ketchup in the center and roll it out, and the tasty yet healthy egg roll is ready to be served. The second one is a vegetable pulao. For making this, I have taken half a cup of basmati rice, wash it well and soak this in water for some time. Meanwhile, chopping up some vegetables. Here I am using a small piece of carrot, a small piece of capsicum, half an onion and 2 to 3 beans. Heat oil in a kadai and splatter some cumin seeds, then adding some ginger garlic crushed. Saute it well. And add the chopped vegetables. Saute it again. Then add a small piece of chopped tomato and then add the masalas. Here I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, some garam masala powder and some chicken masala powder. Saute it until the raw smell goes and add some salt. Then pour enough water to cook the rice. So here I have used 1.5 cups of water totally. First I added 1 cup water. Then I added half more cups because the rice wasn't fully cooked in 1 cup water, so it may vary depending on the rice. So add the rice once the water starts boiling. Mix it well and let it boil for some time. Then cover and cook in medium-low flame for 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, check the rice. If needed, add some more water mixed with a little bit of salt. And the tasty pulao is ready. Do try these recipes and let me know your feedback. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.